Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Favor. I'm happy to have you here. I share recipes for the family, easy and delicious recipes, mostly Nigerian cuisine with a twist, or Asian cuisine. So I hope you enjoy. Let's dig right into it. Using a pressure cooker, you can choose to follow this method, like fry all the ingredients together and transfer it into an instant pot. That's up to you if you really want to fry the onions and the peppers before adding it into the instant pot. But if not, just add all the ingredients, just put everything in together in the instant pot. Make sure you taste it to see if everything is okay. The salty level, the seasoning if you want. If you added cayenne pepper, again that's optional, it depends on your taste. When I say this is so delicious, it is so delicious, I had to share it with you guys. You can garnish it with more green onions, and if for all my fit fam people out there, you enjoy it alone. But I paired this with Texas Roadhouse rolls and it was on fire. It was so good. You can eat it with agege bread or any roll that you want. It's so good.